Okay, I thought I would make this video to talk about if you have a very used MX3 Logitech mouse, you can actually just get a replacement. As you can see here, mine is very damaged from putting it in my bag and so on. So you can buy these replacement parts from Amazon. They're quite cheap actually, and these parts are fine, but this part is more damaged. So I'm just going to peel this off and then take off all the excess. Open my pack which I purchased, and these are actually really good quality, so you get these and just stick it in place here. Looks brand new. Before, the part that was peeling was scratching my desk surface, so now it's all smooth and it's all ready. So it looks quite good, looks quite fresh. So if this was helpful, just like and subscribe, and I'll show you where you can get these from. And the link in the description or in one of the comments down below. Great. Thanks.